Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today we will talk about how to move the search bar to the top on Android so you can customize your home screen easily and make it more comfortable to use. In this video, I will guide you through simple steps to adjust the search bar position. Now let's get started. Step 1. Unlock your Android phone and go to the home screen. This is the main page where all your apps and widgets are visible. On this screen, you will see the search bar widget, which is usually placed in the middle or bottom area, and it helps you quickly search apps, contacts, and the web. Step 2. If you decide to move the search bar to the top, press and hold the search bar widget with your finger. Holding it activates edit mode on the home screen, which allows you to rearrange widgets, and while still holding, slowly drag the search bar toward the top section of the screen where you want it placed. Step 3. Once you reach the top area, release your finger to drop the search bar in position. If your phone supports widget resizing or customization, you can also adjust the search bar style or size by holding it again, and this makes your home screen cleaner and easier to use. Thanks for watching Fix Your Apps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful Android tips and guides.